Here's how to log into your own SnapEval account if your organization uses SnapEval integrated with an ADP payroll platform such as Workforce Now, TotalSource, or Run powered by ADP. To log into SnapEval on your computer, open a browser and go to SnapEval.com. Then click the Login button in the upper right-hand corner of the page. This takes you to the Login page. On this page, click the Login with ADP button. Here you'll enter your ADP user ID and password. These are the same user ID and password that you used to log into the ADP payroll platform. If you've forgotten your ADP user ID or password, you can find your user ID or reset your password by clicking on the Forgot Your User ID/password link. With your ADP user ID and password entered, click the Sign In button to log in. If this is the first time that you've logged in, ADP will display a client authorization page. This page authorizes ADP to share basic employee information, including name, email address, and department assignment with SnapEval. SnapEval does not import or store sensitive information, such as payroll data. If you're an ADP Marketplace administrator and created the SnapEval instance for your organization, you will be presented with two ADP consent requests, one for your organization and one for yourself. Click the Allow button on each consent request to continue. Your SnapEval account will be opened at its home page. The home page will differ depending on whether you're an administrator, manager, or employee. If you're logging in on your own computer, you may want to bookmark this page for instant access to your SnapEval account in the future. If you're having difficulty logging into SnapEval with your ADP user ID and password, we recommend trying to log into another ADP resource, such as your ADP payroll platform or the ADP Marketplace. This is a good way to validate that your ADP credentials are correct and active. If you've determined that your ADP user ID and password are correct and active, and you still can't log into your SnapEval account, please contact your organization's SnapEval administrator or our support team so we can validate that your SnapEval account is active. SnapEval includes a free mobile app for iPhone and Android devices. You can download the free SnapEval mobile app from the Apple App Store for iOS devices and from Google Play for Android devices. To log on to SnapEval, tap on the mobile app icon. Then, click the Login with ADP button. Here, you'll enter your ADP user ID and password. These are the same user ID and password that you used to log into the ADP payroll platform. If you've forgotten your ADP user ID or password, you can find your user ID or reset your password by clicking on the Forgot Your User ID/password link. With your ADP user ID and password entered, click the Sign In button to log in. This will open the mobile app to buttons to popular functions such as capturing feedback or viewing feedback that you've received. The buttons displayed will vary depending on how your organization's SnapEval account is configured and whether you're an administrator, manager, or employee. To register your device with the SnapEval push notification service, close the app, power off and restart the device, and open the SnapEval mobile app again. This will enable your device to receive notifications, such as a notification that you've received feedback from a team member. Access to applications on your smartphone are secured by the device's lock screen, which requires a passcode or biometrics such as a fingerprint or facial recognition to unlock your phone. This device security enables mobile apps on your device to automatically log into their cloud-based services without requiring you to log into the app each time that you open it. You've experienced this if you've used applications such as Facebook or LinkedIn. Your login credentials aren't stored in the SnapEval mobile app. Rather, an encrypted token is stored that authenticates the mobile app on your device to access your account in the SnapEval cloud service when the mobile app is opened. The encrypted token is the only data stored locally in the SnapEval mobile app. No organization or employee data is stored on the device, so there's no data security issue if the device is lost or stolen, or when a user separates from the organization.